You're hauling butt, dude.
I know. Is that your place?
Nope. That's, we got a ways to go to get to my place. Man, there hasn't been snow like this in the valley in like 10 years.
Like, probably fucking ever. Not like this.
My parents have been here over 10 years and they've never seen snow like this.
Yeah. I want to say there's a road down here.
It goes down to St. Rose?
Yeah, I think it does, but Eastern's okay anyway.
Oh, it is now?
Well, going this way is. Just going up Eastern's a bitch.
Oh. Well, we could go to Buffalo Wild Wings then.
Yeah, we could do that.
You want to go to PT's?
That'd be the third time I've been to PT's today.
We could go to that place that's topless down on the strip that has a restaurant up here.
Johnny Rockets?
Yeah, Tommy Rockers.
Tommy Rockers? Is that like a strip club though?
It's not
recording sound?
Yeah. It's getting everything.
God, I just want to get laid!
Let's go find some whores in this town.
Oh, no.
There's this place over here, Vox, but they don't have golden tea.
No, that's good.
And then there's Red Hawk.
What about
Red Hawk's right here. But I don't know what they got. You know, I think they do have golden tea at Red Hawk.
I say we either do Buffalo or Fireside.
Wow, this weather is freaking unbelievable. I remember this morning it was coming down in like tiny little specks.
Oh, no.
And we're like, oh cool, it's snowy,
Yeah, this is
now it's like, holy shit, unbelievable. This is Eastern Avenue here.
Yeah, you want to do
Eastern and Horizon Ridge. Yeah, going down Eastern, no problem.
Yeah, no problem. Just going down Eastern. Yeah, it's just, I don't know what's wrong with Anthem. People getting stuck in car accidents, probably.
Yeah, all these rich people don't know how to drive in the snow with their BMWs and shit.
Yeah, fucking, they don't drive in the snow. So we go to Fireside or Buffalo?
Fireside.
Alright, yeah, just change that.
Absolutely.
Yeah, this is good.
All those people trying to go home.
Yeah,
we're just like, see ya. Wow. KFC. Ah, that's